the thing is that if you can find somebody who at least has an understanding or experience of both clinical development and medical affairs, I think that person can be much more effective. Now, actually, finding someone who has the skills to do both is very, very difficult. And I can say that in my organization, we've created a role that's exactly that. They have to be experts in clinical development and experts in medical affairs, and it's been difficult. Let me just say that. So we're now reevaluating the roles to see what is the most important thing that we have in those individuals in that central medical affairs function. And in the important countries, in my case, the U.S. is represented here very well in the audience. I think you do have to have that excellent communication skills, that really exquisite understanding of your market and your physicians in the market, as well as the environment of the healthcare systems and payers, who really bring those insights into the strategic thinking around your assets.
So again, I agree with all that's been said. I always like bringing up the last. But there's one important feature, characteristic of your people that you can influence, and that's their ability, their desire to collaborate. I believe pharma is going to go nowhere if we stay in silos. We can't just have scientists here. We can't just have commercial people here. We need to understand each other. And it was an expectation of our people, as part of, we had an academy that we trained people on science, but also the soft skills that said that they collaborate. So we don't want to really own anything. We just want to be at the table and use the skills of everybody else around us at pharma to develop the best pipelines plans, the best launch plans, but you yourself can influence that. If it's the expectation view that you become a collaborator, a communicator, as you said, you'll see changes occurring.
I think there's a lot of opportunity also, though, for us to see a little bit more kind of talent sharing between commercial and medical. I am seeing MDs going to commercial more often. I'd like to see some of them come back. Some of them come back as well. But I do think that we, as senior executives within companies, can do probably a better job in selling the value proposition of medical affairs to our cross-functional partners, so that we get a lot more talent crossover, not only from development but also from commercial as well.
That's a great point. In fact, when I was raised, I spent 3 years in commercial, out of R&D and medical, and to me, I was very uncomfortable. But I think we have to teach our people that, yeah, you went through years of medical school or got your PhD, and you're going to feel really stupid for a while. But I'll tell you, getting 1 or 2 or 3 years of understanding the other functions is incredibly valuable. So I really echo that.